Salade de artichokes, artichoke preparation 005 to 030. Hello everyone! Today we are making a super light and delicious artichoke salad 005 to 010. First step, artichokes. Open the can, or if it's fresh, clean it. 010 to 015. Strain the artichoke and shake it well as if you were dancing with it. 015 to 030. Cut funny faces on the artichoke hearts if you have time and inclination. Assembling a salad 030 to 130. Now comes the greens 030 to 045. Throw the arugula into a large bowl as if you were throwing it into a basket 045 to 1 o'clock. Scatter the artichoke hearts on top like you would sprinkle confetti at a party 1 o'clock to 1:15. Grate the parmesan on top as if it were snowing on the salad 1:15 to 1:30. Don't forget to dance and laugh while you're at it. Preparation of dressing 1:30 to 2:30. The dressing can come 1:30 to 1:45. Mix the olive oil and lemon juice in a small bowl as if you were doing magic 1:45 to 2 o'clock. Add salt and pepper because all magic needs a little bit of mystery 2 o'clock to 2:15. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss it well like you have a big party in the bowl 2:15 to 2:30. Don't forget to smile and have fun while you're at it. Serving 2:30 to 3 o'clock. And now let's serve it 2:30 to 2:45. Serve the salad beautifully as if you were presenting a masterpiece 2:45 to 3 o'clock. Show the finished salad to the camera and taste it with a big smile. Final image 3 o'clock. Thanks for cooking with us. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you soon.